sunlight on the weekend, coffee warming up my hands. World is gentle, dreams awaken, finding comfort where I am. All the colors in the window paint a story soft and new. I can hear my heart returning to a place where hope breaks through. Let the music lift me higher. Open arms can hold the sky. Every moment feels much brighter when I'm learning how to try. Melodies and quiet feelings, giving strength to start again. Life is sweet and always healing when I let the light come in. Simple laughter fills the morning, candle glowing in the room. I remember how it feels now, just to let the flowers bloom. Let the music lift me higher. Open arms can hold the sky. Every moment feels much brighter when I'm learning how to try. Melodies and quiet feelings, giving strength to start again. Life is sweet and always healing when I let the light come in. If the world gets cold and distant, I will hold on to this truth. Hearts are never really broken when they're growing into you. Let the music lift me higher. Open arms can hold the sky. Every moment feels much brighter when I'm learning how to try. Melodies and quiet feelings, giving strength to start again. Life is sweet and always healing when I let the light come in. Golden sunlight on the weekend, let the light come in. Remember when the world felt way too big, every door seemed locked, couldn't find the key. 13 years old with a heavy heart, wondering if I'd ever be free. Mama said, baby, this too shall pass. Looked a minute, showed a stranger's face. Now I'm looking back at who I was. Time has such a funny way. All those years I cried alone led me to where I call home. These growing pains that made me strong taught me how to carry on. Every scar became a song. Every fall helped me belong to this life I'm living now. Made it through, I don't know how, but these growing pains, yeah, these growing pains. Teen felt like standing on a cliff. College bound but scared to take the leap. Friends were changing, nothing felt the same. Lost in choices, running way too deep. Daddy called and said you'll find your way, but the road ahead looked dark and long. Now I see the struggles pave the path to everything that made me strong. All those nights I felt alone. Build the These growing pains, they made me strong, taught me how to carry on. Every scar became a song, every fall helped me belong to this life I'm living now. Made it through, I don't know how. These growing pains, yeah, these growing pains. Growing pains that made me strong, taught me how to sing my song. Every break helped me belong to this beautiful unknown. In this life I'm living now, made it through, still don't know how. But these growing pains, yeah, these growing pains, they're not really pains at all. They're just love disguised as woes. Remember when the world felt way too big? Now I know it's just the perfect size.
La da da, in diesem kleinen Raum. Oh, oh, oh. Du sitzt dort drüben, deine Augen wie Wein. Ich kenne diesen Blick, er war einmal mein. Dein Lächeln, so süß. Dein Lächeln für mich, ist für mich. Die Zeit steht still hier zwischen Tassen und dir. Meine Hände zittern leicht, du kommst näher zu mir. Dein Lächeln, so süß. Dein Lächeln, für mich. Ich denke an früher, an warme Sommernächte.